Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to use Roblox gift card. Maybe because you have received a Roblox gift card and you don't know how to use it, like how you can redeem its code and how you can avail Roblox from it, or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to use the Roblox gift card. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can use the Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed a Roblox app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. The app will just take a while to load, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. So there's a problem with this app that it does not have any option through which you can use a Roblox gift card. You can use its point from this card, but you cannot redeem it. So for that you have to go to the browser. You can choose any browser. Whatever the browser is, on the search bar you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you go with the same link so that you could end up on this right website. This is the correct website by Roblox. If you have not purchased a card, then you can purchase from this option shop gift cards. But if you already have one, then at the top you have this option which says redeem card. Just simply tap onto this option, and if you have a physical card, then on the back side of it you have to scratch it and you will find a code that you have to write here. But if you have a virtual card like me, then you will receive the code via mail or any other source that you have to copy and paste that code here. Once you paste that code here, you will be able to redeem it by just clicking on this redeem option. Now it will just take a while to load, and after that the Robux will be sent to your account. That means you have successfully used the Roblox gift card. Just give it a refresh and tap onto this option. At the top you will see that you have received the Robux. Now it's time to spend them. So there are multiple ways to spend the Robux. You have to click onto this option, then you can click on customize or maybe on marketplace. There are multiple products and items available related to character that you could purchase. So I'm going to tap onto any one of these. Likewise, you can choose whatever option you like. Then click on buy item, and that option or that product will be purchased. So that's how you can use the Roblox gift card, like how you can purchase it, how you can redeem it, and how you can use the Robux from that gift card. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use a Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.